Good afternoon, everyone. This is Matt Brown with Mac Truck Sales here in Evansville, Indiana. Channel's called Southern Indiana Mac Volvo Sales. Appreciate you checking us out. Got a cool one here today. It's our new East Horizon frameless dump trailer. This is our East version of a half round. It's brand new, one of the first trailers built, and we've got it down here in Evansville, Indiana. So just a few of the particulars on this one. It's a 39-foot long. It's 102 wide with 102 axles. Does have a DuraPro liner with a thick tail. That way all the material that goes out the back, you've got more liner back there, as it's going to take more of the wear. Has an 85-265 hoist, which means it's an 8-inch hoist. 5-stage, 265-inch stroke. It's air ride suspension. Got aluminum 8 1/4 by 22.5 wheels all the way around, along with 11R 22.5 tires. Does have a 2-way tailgate, so it will open overslung or to the side. We'll get up close. I'll show you a little bit more about this brand new trailer from East. So as you can see by the big long draft arms there and the upper coupler that is not stationary, this is a frameless trailer. And I've got one of those on a prior video where my helper put it up in the air and showed you how it goes. This is our new East Horizon. So as you can see, there is more of an elliptical shape to this one. Matches the half round configuration. So the side heights are 60-inch tall. Jost Alumilite dollies. Something cool with East now, they're putting the tailgate and suspension controls in a nice covered box for us. So you can see the tailgate switch there to open and close the tailgate and your suspension dump valve. So they're enclosed now, which really helps out as far as corrosion and those things freezing up. Alcoa high polish wheels, 8 1/4 by 22.5. Here is our barn door or 2-way tailgate control. You pull that lever and it'll release the hinge there, and then you've got the side swings right there, or it is an overslung. So that's why we call it a 2-way tailgate. Got 3 across the flaps on the back. Nice ladder to get up and over in case you got to get inside and sweep out whatever you've got. And here's that thick tail liner that I was talking about. It's thicker in the rear. See a nice shot of those big solid top rails. It's a cool trailer. Weight wise, it's about 300 pounds or so lighter than our Genesis hybrid. So we've got this on the lot here in Evansville. If you've got any interest, don't hesitate to give us a call. And as always, thanks for checking out the channel. Like and subscribe, and we'll have a lot more content coming. Thank you, guys.